How to start a campfire the easy way. You're gonna need 5 things: a shovel, a wood of course, a hatchet, fire starter, and a lighter. Dig a hole in the middle of the ground. If you don't have any access to anything else, this is the best result in creating a safe space for the fire. Bring all the materials into one area next to the fire, and now we're gonna go ahead and start chopping these and getting the small kindling ready to place inside the hole in order to build the fire out. Once you've cut your small kindling pieces, go ahead and start placing them inside your hole in order to start building the fire out. We're kind of going to make a little structure here in order to let the fire breathe and let the fire get started. So side note, it was actually kind of really windy this morning, so that's a lot of the reason why I went with a hole in the ground instead of just putting a bunch of rocks up, because this kind of actually helps shelter the fire from getting any of the wind just blowing it all around. This here is some good old-fashioned Amazon love. This is fire starter that's actually super cheap and waterproof, and all you really do, it's like a little cardboard substance, and you just peel it off, stick it on your fire, and this literally will help any fire in any situation start to burn no matter what the weather condition is. And this is a game changer in various different types of weather conditions. Make sure that you check the video's description for links down below on the products that I used here: the hatchet, the fire starter, and this small handheld lighter. I got those on the cheap, available on Amazon. Now that you've placed the fire starter, go ahead and light them, and you're going to see why these things are so awesome and budget friendly, and how it literally helps you how to start a campfire the easy way in the middle of nowhere using very minimal amounts of things, tools. I dug a small hole and boom, now I have fire. It's super cold out. I think this morning it was about like 30 to 40 degrees, which that's cold here in Arizona for our winter time. But anyhow, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on how to start a campfire the easy way. Make sure that you like this video. If you hated this video and you thought it sucked, make sure you like it. Thanks a lot.